fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming for someone.
Let me go like this. There's a fridge.
Please don't have the handle. Let's go. My love.
So we enter the room, and then to the right we have our kitchen. You have this, you have a kitchen, you have a kitchen sink, you have cupboard. Is there anything in it? Nope. You have this, a hot plate, you have a fridge. This is so blurry, why? So this is here, microwave, more storage space, all storage space. Then we enter the living room. Wow, this is so pretty. This is the toilet. Hey, so we have our normal standard bathtub. We have this. Then we have our stuff here. We have a toilet. We have this, a television, a mirror again. Oh, this is so cool. I'm so happy for some reason. This is so cool. This is so cool. We're going to the pool now. I'm wearing this thing. It's Nani. My kicks. Cheers. Got them. Cheers. Which brand? We went to the pool. I think I should one small clip of the pool, and then I didn't vlog again, and now it's evening. My sister and I are going to the pastry corner. Is it bakery corner or pastry corner?
I don't know,
bakery something corner, sure. And then I'm wearing this. I have never worn something this short before in my life. I'm having anxiety. Yes. And then I'm wearing heels because Chine is going to be extra on the last day of 2021. Jody. So I'm back again. Now I'm going to the gym with my mom. I am tired. Yeah. Somebody's cooking beside us. See my mommy. See, stop that.
It's been speechless, but we'll just have to try.
Okay. It is 6:30 a.m. in the new year. Happy New Year. Oh, we didn't even. We're going to the gym. Me and my sister are going to the gym. My sister and I are going to the gym. Me and my sister and I. Don't let it lift you, Queen. So I got breakfast. I got a yogurt bowl with fruits on top of it, and then I got baked beans, French toast. This we'll get waffles later.
Maybe we're blind by design.